Hey charms, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. If you're a new subscriber, hi, my name is Lucky. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be recreating my Jago look. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Enough talking, let's get into it. So first I'm going to start off with my Porefessional primer. I'm going to be using this all over my face and my neck. I'm going to be using this green color corrector by NYX, and I'm going to be placing this on any kind of redness that I have or dark spots. Now I'm going to be going in with my Fenty foundation in the shade 300, and I'm just going to blend this into my skin. Next, I'm going to go in with my Tarte Maracuja Creaseless Concealer in the shade Light Medium, and I'm just going to blend this out under my eye. With my translucent locket powder by Kat Von D, and I'm just going to be putting this under my eyes over the concealer to keep it in place and from creasing. I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. I'm just going to be using this to contour my cheeks and my forehead. Now I'm going back in with that Locket translucent powder just to carve out my contour and make it more sharp. Now I'm going to be using this Milani Baked Bronzer in the shade Glow, and I'm just going over all of my contour that I just did. I'm going to be going in with the Benefit Hoola bronzer, and I'm going to be using this to contour my nose. I usually like to start off with the tip of my nose to make it look smaller, and then I go on to draw two lines on either side of my nose, and that just makes your nose look a lot slimmer. I'm going to be using the same Hoola bronzer, and I'm just going under and over my lip to contour it and make it look bigger. And finally, I'm just going to blend it all out. I'm going to use the Locket translucent powder to sharpen the contour on my nose and brush off any on my cheek. Again, I'm going to be using the Hoola bronzer by Benefit, and I'm just going over my contour and making it sharper. And down my jawline to make that sharper as well. Now I'm just going to brush out my eyebrows and fill them in. Just so you guys know, I already have a YouTube video filmed on how I do my eyebrows in much more detail that will be going up next week. So I'm now carving out my eyebrows with the Master Concealer in shade 20 Light. And I'm just blending it out. Now I'm going to go in with Soft Glam Orange Soda. I'm just going to be using this shade into my crease and I'm just blending that out. I'm going to be going in with my burnt orange shade from the Soft Glam palette and I'm just going to be deepening that crease. Now I'm just using the darker brown shade and I'm just going to be adding that onto the corner of my eye, just like that. And I'm just going to blend that out. Okay, so now I'm just going in with Rustic and I'm just going to blend the entire look together. Okay, so I'm using the same Master Concealer in 20 Light that I used for my eyebrows and I'm using this to create a cut crease. And if you guys want to see a more detailed tutorial on how I do this, just leave me a comment down below and I can do that for you guys. So next I'm going to go in with my Urban Decay Full Spectrum. I'm just going to be using the shade Calavera and I'm going over the cut crease or half a cut crease that I just created. I'm using my High Precision Sephora eyeliner. Just to let you guys know, I actually have a more detailed tutorial on how I do this as well, and that will be dropping with my eyebrow tutorial next week. Before putting on eyelashes, I usually like to go in with my Great Lash Maybelline mascara in Berry Black. I'm going back in with my Urban Decay Full Spectrum and I'm just using the green shade called Hatter and I'm putting that on my waterline. As you can see, I'm just wiping off all the bake I had on my face. And I put my eyelashes off camera. Now we've come to my favorite part. We're just going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills x Amrezy collaboration. And I'm just using this highlighter on my high points of my cheeks, my nose, my upper lip. Now I'm going in with my L'Oreal Paris lip liner in Nude and I'm just going to use this to outline my lips and fill them in. Now I'm just going in with my Clear Gloss by CoverGirl. And this is the finished look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give your girl a like, and if you would like to see more videos from me, hit that subscribe button. I'll be dropping videos every week, and leave a comment for your girl down below. See you next time.